Assalamu alaikum. Now we will go with the next paragraph, conflict with the Ahams. In the 13th century CE, the people of the Shan community settled down in the valley of river Brahmaputra. They established their kingdom there. They were locally known as Aham people. While Aurangzeb ruled, the Aham had a prolonged struggle with the Mughals. They were fighting with the Mughals. The Mughals attacked the Ahams region. The Ahams united under the leadership of Gadadhar Sinha. Commander Lachit Borphukan gave an intense battle against the Mughals. They fought very bravely. The Ahams used a guerrilla technique, means fighting from the jungle. In the conflicts against the Mughals, it became impossible for Mughals to create a strong base in Assam because they were like kind of Adivasis. They were fighting guerrilla warfare. Okay, children. Now, next paragraph, conflicts with the Sikhs. The ninth Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Tag Bahadur, protested strongly against Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance. Aurangzeb imprisoned him and beheaded him in 1675 CE. After him, Guru Gobind Singh became the Guru of the Sikhs. Beheaded मतलब उनका सर छेद कर दिया. Guru Gobind Singh organized his followers and encouraged their martial spirits. You know martial means what? War spirits. He organized the Sikhs youth into a fighting force called the Khalsa Dal. Their headquarters were at Anandpur. Aurangzeb sent his army to fight the Sikhs. His army attacked Anandpur. Although the Sikhs fought fiercely, means bravely, they did not succeed. After that, Guru Gobind Singh came to the Deccan in 1708 CE. There was an attempt on his life when he was at Nanded. उन्होंने कोशिश की वहाँ की. Soon after, the Guru succumbed to his wounds. Guru that time died. Now, conflicts with the Rajputs. Akbar had secured the cooperation of the Rajput with his policy of amicable relations, good relations. Aurangzeb could not obtain the cooperation of Rajputs. After the death of Rana Jaswant Singh of Marwar, Aurangzeb annexed his kingdom, means brought kingdom to the Mughal Empire, Durgadas Rathod crowned Jaswant Singh's minor son Ajit Singh as the king of Marwar. Durgadas Rathod fought hard against the Mughals. Aurangzeb sent Prince Akbar to Marwar to crush the resistance of Durgadas. Prince Akbar joined hands with Rajputs and rose in revolt against Aurangzeb. An effort was made to seek help from the Marathas in Maharashtra. In this revolt, Durgadas Rathod continued this struggle against the Mughal for the existence of Marwar. This story, Bajirao Mastani, if you can watch this movie, will come to know. Now with the next paragraph, conflict with the Marathas. In Maharashtra, Swaraj was established under the leadership of Shivaji Maharaj. In his efforts to establish Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj had to fight the Mughals too, along with the other enemies. Aurangzeb came down to the Deccan after the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with the intention of conquering the whole of South India. But the Marathas offered stiff resistance fight करते रहे to Aurangzeb and defended their independence. We shall study this later on. Now here we finish the lesson number 2. In the next video I will give the exercise soon. Thank you.